Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of the engine mounts video. So this is where we are. This is subframe number 1, and as you can see I've welded that cup into the position. I basically tap welded that in the vehicle, took it out, then built a jig just to hold it in place, and then welded it all the way around. I'll just quickly show you that jig. Nothing fancy. Literally that's it. Just some scrap bits of steel I had, which basically bolt into these 2 points here and then hold the mounts where I want them. So obviously this subframe is now finished, so I can use this jig to make subframe number 2. So I'll just put this out of the way and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so we'll put it so that bolts in there. That one holds that sturdy. That holds that. Now where's that cup? There it is. So now it's just a simple case. Putting this where I need it, which is just there. And that's it. So obviously need to bolt this all down, but as you can see that's kind of how it works. So now I know this is in the right place because it's relative to these 3 bolts. So once that's all bolted down, it'll definitely be in the right place, and then I can just weld that without having to put the subframe on the car, put the engine in, tack it, take it back out again, and all the faff. So I've done it once with subframe 1, don't have to repeat it again for subframe 2. So I'm going to put the camera down, bolt this down, and then start welding it. Right, happy with that. As it comes from the factory, it's only literally got the same kind of stitch welding, one this side and one the other side. Once I've taken this brace off and it's all kind of cooled down, I'll just finish off the little bits at the bottom, and that should be that. So that'll be subframe number 2 complete. Then I can start putting them back in the car, get the rest of the running gear in, and start on brakes and drive shafts and stuff like that. But again, I'm going to put the camera down and crack on, and I'll update in a little bit.